Okay, so hello YouTube, my name is Vlad, and this is just to show you one thing. I was messing with the Polaris BIOS editor, which is actually the version 1.6.4, I believe. You know what, let me search for it. Okay, so yeah, it is version 1.6.4, which is actually in my 2 or 3 videos ago, or 4 maybe, auto patching with Polaris BIOS editor 1.6.4. Anyway, I was messing around with my GPUs, because this rig is actually RX 470, I believe. Just let me Nepali properties. Oh, bloody hell. This PC properties, I don't know whether you can see it or not. So device manager, and I was actually able to flash one of the cards. As you can see, this is RX 470, and I was able to flash with this Polaris BIOS editor a new memory strap. So for all of you that do not know, this thing has been actually working for an entire day. I have a switch minus RS60 to restart the miner because I had some issues before. I can actually remove that right now. But anyway, it actually works 28.6 megahashes. So I will be leaving the BIOS in the description down below, as well as the Polaris BIOS editor. Basically, it can, I believe, it can work for any card. Now this is Elpida BIOS. I don't know whether you can see it or not. Elpida memory. Just a second, I believe so. So yeah, I will be flashing the all of the other cards as well, and fuck off. And graphics. Does it say? So it is at 2000 megahertz. It can probably go to 2020 maybe, but I'm not willing to take that risk. So yeah, there you have it. It's actually at 28.6 megahashes, and it works. So sorry, my team viewer has cut me out because I have only 5 minutes to use it, because they believe I use it for illegal purpose, whatnot. Anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, please click like or whatnot. Well, bye. Cheers.